have worked 20 years in international trade in the field of logistics, supply chain, and sales administration. And I have also 10 years hands-on experience in SAP in the modules such as sales distribution, material management, and S/4HANA. I have worked in different well-known companies. So I worked as sales administration and supply chain, and also help them to optimize the process to integrate it better with the system of SAP. SAP ecosystem is very efficient because it integrates all the data from sales, procurement, inventory, and finance in one system, which helps the decision making and very well structured. The flow is very easy to follow. The traceability is very good. I have a very good training experience at data scientist. First thing is that they have not only very clear materials, very complete, and also the hands-on experience to practice in SAP environment. On the other hand, the online training is very flexible. It's easy to follow the training. It suits my schedule. On the other hand, the teacher is, the professor, they are very nice and they are very reactive. Whenever you have questions about the SAP or the process-related questions, they will help you. We can really practice the SAP in the real environment, and also that they help me understand the logic behind the SAP. I have a very rich experience, working experience, but I don't have complete knowledge about the SAP. So by this training, I have a broader view of SAP, understand better the logic of the SAP, behind why all the details, the functions, and why the SAP they are designed like that. So this helps a lot to understand not only SAP itself, also the business functions and their operations, and to make a better integration with my job, between my job and the SAP system to be more efficient. SAP training, I think, is very useful to help you to understand the business operation and to be more efficient. If you are still hesitating, at the beginning it's a little bit difficult. Because it's very complicated and need a lot of working experience. But as soon as you get the training and enter into the training process and follow it well, you can understand better and better the logic. And also this certificate will help you a lot to get a job, because today,